Hello, my name is Chuck Butler, and you are tuning into Stock Talk Sunday, where we break down stocks for the upcoming week. Now, this is gonna be a pretty it's gonna be a pretty weird video because I have some explaining to do. I had to delete both of my other videos. I apologize about that, but due to my incompetence and failure to look at small detail, I had to go ahead and delete them. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. I'm not gonna say it, uh, uh, but you guys will figure it out sooner or later. And that's what. And I already have my video ready to upload on Sunday because I usually upload it on Sunday because it's Stock Talk Sunday. But looks like I'm gonna be doing it here on Monday, and I shouldn't have to delete my videos from here on out. So I apologize about that. But good news is that I added a good amount of tickers for you guys. So this is gonna be a pretty it's gonna be a pretty good this is gonna be a pretty good video. Um, yeah, so I apologize about that. So it is Monday, June, week 4, and it looks like right now it is 11:12 Central Time. Um, and from what I'm seeing is that a lot of swings are setting up for confirmation tomorrow. So I don't believe I'm going to get into anything today, but if I do, it most likely will be COLL here, or it's going to be let's see, or was it uh, yeah, I think it was just COLL, but let's go ahead and let's just dive into it. So um and you'll get to see me plan these out because I just obviously added them to the list. Um, so let's go ahead and break these down. Here we have the ticker symbol. Oh yeah, and I know. Oh yeah. And, before we get started, I understand that my charting seems a little bit different. This is the old school Thinkorswim setting, and if you like this, you can go ahead and go to the settings, go to application settings up here, and then go to look and feel, color scheme, and as you can see, old school TOS. Right now you probably have the dark one, but I just wanted to try out something new. The light one is pretty cool. It turns everything white, but I think I enjoy this old school TOS one. Very colorful, very vibrant. I enjoy it. Now let's go ahead and cancel that and let's get into the video. As you can see, we have ticker symbol ONCE here. This is a therapeutics. This is the therapeutics company, so watch out for they rely heavily on news. Let me go ahead and get my live news. No, I don't think this is important right now since I'm doing a video. As you can see, I partially broken it down. Let's see. I can see support here at 80, and then support here at 82 as well. 82, about 82.40. Yeah, let me go ahead and draw another. Let me go ahead and draw another trend line here. 82.40. Okay, then now as you can see, we're on the 4-hour chart. Resistance at 90 here, right here, here, and here. And then there's an overall resistance around 95, as you can see over here. It didn't reach 95 here. It reached 94, but I'm just saying I'm saying 95 because it's in between like 96 and 94, so I'm just saying 95. I wouldn't recommend selling up past 95. I think between 92 and 93, I think you should be good to sell, but you sell at your own discretion. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Oh, looks like COLL hit an alert. Cool, I'll go ahead and check that out later. So it's not confirming an uptrend right now, but I suggest, let's see, an entry above 83. Let's go ahead and set my. I'm gonna go ahead and set my alert. Yeah, let me type it in. My bad. Entry above 83. So let me go ahead and set my alert for 82.90. 82.90, and from 82. And from 82.9, my bad, from 83 to highs of, I would want to sell it around, let's see, I think 90 would be a good place to sell at. Offers 8.72%. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. Let's go ahead and set up our plan. Let's go ahead and set up our plan. And you'll actually see me set up my plan for the first time. I go into the notes here and I type in the amount of margin it has to cover. So from 82.90 to 90 offers about 8.76%. Boom, and then as you can see, I go ahead and change the color scheme, change the size, make it bold, just so it stands out. But that's not the only thing I usually write. My bad. I usually write my entry so I don't have to waste paper, because usually what you guys are probably used to is writing everything down on paper. But I figure out that this is the easier way to do it, and it doesn't waste as much paper. So I write my entry 83, my exit is going to be around 90. Then my stop loss around 83.85. Alright, and there you go. Entry 83, exit 90, stop loss 83.85, broken down. Alright, on to the next one. Now we have ticker symbol JDST. This is a leveraged 3 times gold ETF. So this does have an inverse, and that inverse's name is JNUG. JNUG right here, and then it has a future that it follows, obviously, the commodity gold, and the ticker for that is /GC. You want to base your trades if you're trading leveraged ETF 3 times ETFs. You want to find an index or a future that it follows, so you can base your trades off of that, because the advantage to trading leveraged 3 times ETFs is that they follow an index. So if you follow that, so if the index is going up or down, you can tell what the bullish or bear ETF is going to do. So let's go ahead and get back into JDST. The reason I favor this one over JNUG is because, oh, look at that. It has already covered a lot today, actually. All right. Let's see. Okay, so right now, as you can see, old resistance levels can become new support levels. So 52 here. 52 is drawn as a new support here. As you can see, it's bounced off right here, and then bounced off a second time right here. So that has confirmed that 52 is the new support. Oh, I keep backing out, my bad. And 57.30 would be the new resistance. So let's see, wait, I think I already broke this one down. Oh no, I actually didn't. Alright, then let's break it down. From 52. You know what? No, I don't think I'm gonna play this one already. It's covered. It's covered a little bit too much, so I'm going to take this one off the list. Let's move on to ticker symbol APA. Ah, this one. Okay. So as you can see, I've broken this one down already, but I haven't planned out my trade yet for it. Let's see. As you can see right here, I have drawn support at 39. Then I have drawn resistance at 45, and then resistance at I have drawn overall resistance at $50. But obviously it hasn't reached up. It hasn't reached up to that point yet. But I don't expect. But if I get in, I never expect to sell that high. So let's see. It hasn't confirmed the uptrend above the EMA yet, which is why I said I'm going to wait for Tuesday for most of these. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look on the hour chart. Yeah, see, it's still hovering above that. It's not sure if it wants to get above that, but let's see. I would like an entry at 45 and sell possibly. Let's see if I can get at least 5%. Sell at highs of 47.50, which offers 5.57%. So yes, so let's see. My plan would be, let's go ahead, zoom back out here. So from 45 to highs of 47.50 offers about 5.57%. Entry 45, exit 47.50. Stop loss and the stop loss would be 44.85. Okay, plan is drawn. Go ahead and add my preferred settings, and boom, trade is broken down. Ticker symbol is APA of ApacheCorp.com. Alright, then let's move on to the next one, UWT. UWT is also a leveraged 3 times ETF for let's see, I'm not too sure. Hold up, I know see, I have the inverse list right here. Let me see, UWT. It doesn't seem to be on my ETF inverse list, so let me try this, DWT. Ah, hey, it works. Right on, see? Global. Usually the bearish one has a D in front of it, like JDST or DGAS. Or DSLV with USLV, it usually has a D in front of it, and that's how you can tell it's the bearish one. So let's go to UWT. Alright, and as you can see, I've drawn support here at around 32.80, and the resistance here around 40. So a good price to beat. And right now, it bounced from support. It was above EMA, but now it seems like it's getting rejected. So, ooh, yeah, it had a hard sell-off. Okay, I won't. I'll set my alert for this one above 36 if it can get back up to that point. Let's see. Set at 35.90 so I can get alerted before. So from highs of 35.90 to the resistance at 40 offers about 11.19%. Let's go ahead and break that. Let's go ahead and write that down. 36 to highs of 40 offers around 11%. Entry 36, exit. Let's say about I'm only here to capture about 7%. Let's say 38. Even though we can reach the highs of 40, I like to sell before just to ensure I lock in my profits. that may not be attractive to some of you guys, but that's just how my style of trading works. Stop loss would be 36.90. Edit the properties, change the color, change the size, make it bold, pop, making it pop out. All right, now ticker symbol CAR. Oh yeah, and I forgot this is a new video, but there are an abundance of earnings and earning conferences with dividends this week and next week. So if you have the Thinkorswim application, as you can see, the blue light bulb and the blue light bulb is the earnings, and the red telephone symbol is the earnings conference call, and usually they're on the same day. So as you can see, mostly everything on my list right now is more than half of my list there are conference calls either next week or this week. So be careful on that. I usually don't play the earnings because they're usually a gamble, because you can have good earnings and the stock can still fall, and you can have bad earnings and the stock can rise. I still can't find an explanation for it, but I've been trading for over a year now, so I understand because I've played these before numerous amounts of times. So you go ahead and play that at your discretion, but I recommend you wait after the conference date. If you're planning to get in and it's near the conference date, like a day away, I suggest that you wait after, just to see what would happen, because nobody knows if it's going to go up or down. So let's go ahead. And this is the one I broke down for the previous video earlier that I had to delete. So as you can see, support at 32, resistance at 35. My plan is to enter at 33, and looks like it's nearing 33. I like that. Exit 35 and stop loss, and my stop loss would be 32.90. Offer from 33 to 35 offers about 6.7%. I really like this one. This is CAR and ONCE are the ones I really like. Yeah, my bad. Okay, cool, nice. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It can get rejected by the SMA right here, so just be careful if you do decide to get in, or if you don't have the SMA indicator. I understand that it can get rejected, but I enjoy the pattern pretty well. But as you can see, there is a slight resistance here at 33 from right here, 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 and here. But it's making higher highs, so I'm assuming that it will continue to uptrend. Let's go ahead, look on the 5-minute chart. Oh, look at that, it hit 33 today. Nice. Let's go ahead and look on the 1 minute. Okay, alright. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I might go ahead and get in this one, possibly by the end of the day, depending on how things work out. On to the next ticker. This is another 3 times leveraged ETF, ticker symbol DGAZ, DGAZ. It has an inverse. Its name is UGAZ. And the commodity is natural gas. Every Thursday, there's a natural gas report. There's a weekly gas report, and it's either in favor of UGAZ or DGAZ. It usually spikes up for one of them, so I would watch out if you plan on swinging this past Thursday, just to let you know that there is a weekly gas report around 10 a.m. Central Time. And its commodity is /INDRI natural gas. I'm not sure about the index of the commodity for UWT. I will have to research that, and I'll let you guys, and I'll update you guys on my StockTwits account, which I'll have in the description below, because I do, since I don't have my previous videos anymore, I have to explain this again. But I do have a StockTwits account that I update that I update daily based on the opportunities that present itself, or based on the patterns that don't play out. So if something doesn't play out to my liking, about the stocks I discuss here, I go ahead and delete that off of my watch list, and I'll update it on my StockTwits account. So you'll be able to go check it out there. Now let's go ahead and break DGAS down. I'm pretty sure I already broken it down. No, I didn't break it down. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and stay away from ETFs this week. That haven't been doing very kindly. Now let's see. Oh, this is ticker symbol. Oh, it's at 2086 already. Oh wow. Oh, this pushed up a lot. Okay. Yeah, COLL and was it CAR? Yeah, COLL and CAR are the ones that are confirming their uptrend right now, and I really like them. I plan to enter at as you can see, I've broken it down. I plan to enter at 21. At 20. At 2050 and exit at 2150. And from 20 to 22, as you can see, there's support here at 20. There's support at 20 from right here, but its last sell-off that it has dropped below 20. Not support points do not always bounce on the support points, but they can bounce near it. I'm just basing my support line off of previous places that it's bounced it from. So let's see, from 20 to 22 off of 10%. I plan to enter at 2050 and exit at 2155, even though it can go up to 22. But as you can see, it has already passed my buy-in point at 2050 all the way down here. So it's already I don't think it's gonna make any higher highs for today, for it is already 11:32. So I'm expecting a pullback. Let's go back to my day trading studies. As you can see, the middle VWAP is at 2045, and if you don't know what the middle VWAP is, there are other videos out there on YouTube explaining it. But I mainly use it for day trading or entries or exits for my swing trades. And usually, if a stock is trending up, it's trading in between the top VWAP right here. Oh, you can't see that for some reason. It's like really dark. But there's a top VWAP right here if you can see it. And then there's a middle VWAP right here. I'm pretty sure you can see this one. But if a stock is trending up, it's usually trading in between these two. So I would like to wait for a pullback to 2050, and I want to see a bounce, and then I would like to take a position in on this. Alright, moving on to the next one, ticker symbol EGAN. This is another one from last week that I've been watching. As you can see, I've already broken it down, but not as a way to, but not as a plan to trade it yet. Let's go ahead and go back to the swing. It is above the SMA, 180-day SMA and 180-day EMA. There's support at 12, and there was a resistance at 14, but as you can see, that candle is above 14. It's at the current price is at 14.75, so it broke that. So this is actually really good news for the stock. So, or not news for the stock, but this is good for the stock. So it has a resistance at 19. So what I would like to do, let's see, let's break this down. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see where it can get rejected. Okay, looks like it's trading above the. Ooh, okay. We want to see it above this blue line. This is the 180-day SMA. It usually acts as a resistance or support, but if it can break, if a stock can break that, then that would be signs for continuation of an uptrend. Now let's see. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, there is slight resistance at 15. So I want to see it. So this would probably be a ticker for tomorrow. I want to see it hold. No, I want to see it break 15 and hold above that. And if I can get in on the pullback at 15, from 15 to, and this has a lot of margin to cover, but be cautious because this doesn't have as much volume as the other symbols on the list. And to my knowledge from last week, it is extremely volatile. So This one, it does have a lot of margin to cover, but with that margin comes more risk. So let's see, I'm only here to capture about 7 to 5%. So let's say from 15 to 16. Okay, cool. That offers 17.32%. So let's go ahead and set the alerts 1490. That was way off. My bad. I lost my voice a couple days ago, so it's kind of hurting right now. So I'm gonna I need to take medicine. Let's see. I set my alert. Go to the 4-hour chart. Right click, add drawing, text note. 15 to 16. Oops, my bad. I put 50. 16 offers about 7. I'm just gonna round it up. Offers about 7%. Entry 15. Exit 16. Simple enough. Even though it has margin up to 19 to cover, I'm gonna lock in my trades. All right. I know that's not attractive for most of you, but it's attractive to me. Stop loss. Let's see. Since this is under 20, I'm gonna go ahead and set it a bit tighter. Let's go with 1590. No, 1490. My bad. 1490. All right. So. All right, there you go. Planned out. Let's move on to the next. We have 3 more symbols left, guys. There's 3 more to get to. Ticker symbol RDC. This is another one that I've liked. I've already broken this one down. It has not yet confirmed the uptrend yet, so this is on watch. I have my alert set at 1450. My entry will be at 15, and my exit will be at 16. Same as eGain. Right now, the current price is at 1421. As you can see, there is support at 14, and there is resistance at 16. Pretty simple enough. The MACD and RSI are low. The volume is good. Let's see if it bounced today. Oh, look at that. Bounced at 1412. Now, I want to see a continuation tomorrow. So, there you go. I've broken that one down. Ticker symbol RDC. Let's go to, oh, look, and this is another one I've broken down. Ticker symbol BCEL. This one is already above the 15-day EMA and the 25-day EMA. It looks like it's above all the EMAs, which we want to see. Usually, once the 15-day EMA can cross the 25 and 50, that indicates an entry point. But what's concerning me is the MACD is pretty high, and the RSD and the RSI is pretty high, and then the volume is pretty low. That is the only 2 concerning things that I find about this stock. Now, as you can see, the SMA is at 12, which can act as a resistance. So be cautious of that. So from the support at 9 over here to the resistance at 1330 over here offers a total of 43%. Obviously, it is not at 9 anymore. So I would like to enter at 1110 and sell around 12 to capture about, it's like 8%. Hold on. Yeah, around 8%. Yeah. I'll possibly sell around 1190. It's still above my my weekly 7 to 5% goal. So that one's broken down. And last one on the list. This one is probably the one I would recommend to non-vince traders. Very horizontal pattern. As you can see, I have support drawn here at 9. Obviously, it's not there anymore. I have support at 10, resistance at 11, and resistance at 12. Right now it's at 1017. It has reached highs of 1039 today, so So it has pulled back, but from 10 to 11, just a quick 9% right there. Yep, 9.79%. Let's see when the earnings calls are at. Hold on, my bad. 7:27. So it's going to be on the earnings is going to be on Friday. So if you plan to swing trade this, just know that the earnings is on Friday. So let's see, my entry would be at 10:30. Just to confirm the uptrend, even though it's already away from 10. From 10:30 to 11, I can capture about 6.34%. All right, yeah, I like that. Stop loss would be 10:20. Okay, that will be all for today. I have to go, unfortunately, but okay, here since you guys don't know my schedule yet, I'll try to post on Sundays, and then on Wednesdays I'll do recaps of what's going on. I'll update you about what's going on in the market during the week, and then on Friday I'll make a video recapping how much percent I made or lost for the week, and I'll go over like my mistakes, what I did wrong, or what I did right. And then I should have some more different videos coming in about finance and other things like that, like business, college, just a bunch of things geared toward up and coming entrepreneurs, or just people just curious thinking, for curious people seeking a higher or a different understanding from a different point of view from a young person such as myself. So I will have my StockTwits account in the description below, and I will have my a Robinhood link, Stash link, and an Acorns link. Just if you guys want to check out those apps, I use them myself. I'll make a video on those individual apps later throughout the week. So they should be in before July. I'm not making any promises because I'm not gonna promise something I can't do. So we will see how the week turns out. Anyway, happy trading. Stay positive, stay focused. Make sure you break down your stock. Do not follow anyone blindly. Make sure you do your own due diligence. And have a nice trading week. Do what you want with this information that I have provided to you, and take actions based on how you trade. Okay, now I'm out.